How are finals going for y'all?
Pretty good. I'm probably gonna be done after today and then party it up this afternoon.
Nice. I only have like a couple left, and I'm just so excited to finally go home and actually do my laundry and some wash this up for sure.
Nice. Yeah. No, I'm chilling with my tests right now. I love the tunnels at this time of year. I absolutely despise the cold.
Yeah, but the only problem is they're so creepy.
Yeah, no, dude. The doors are always locked around here.
I think I heard rumors one time about like people dying down here, and maybe something about like a nun that haunts the tunnels. But like,
Yeah.
I don't know how true it is.
Yeah, no, that sounds really familiar. I think there was some accident like 47 years ago. It was something about a nun. I don't know.
Honestly, that would make sense. Those nuns are like no joke.
What do you mean? They're so like, I've seen them plenty of times. They're just so like little and innocent. I don't see how they could do any harm.
Bro, I remember like reading about it for a research project. I swear, I was in the library and I saw something about a nun like losing her head, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Whatever. I'll believe it when I see it.
All right. See you, Jay.
All right,
Yeah.
later.
That's been rough.
Oh,
Hey, has anyone seen Jay?
No, the last time I saw him the other day was just before finals.
oh my God, guys, look.
What? Oh my gosh, how's something like that even happen?
I don't know, but something definitely feels off. I mean, just look at that picture.
Wait, is that a nun?
What would a nun be doing down there? They live on all the way on the other side of campus.
I don't know, man, but this doesn't seem like a coincidence. I say we go investigate.
We can't go in there.
Yeah, we'll get caught if we go during the day, but what if we go at night? You guys free tonight?
Yeah, I'm free tonight.
Yeah, I can
All
do
right.
that.
Okay.
That's settled. Let's go
Dude,
tonight.
let's go.
Sweet.
Yo! This room already looks super clean already. There's like barely any dust here.
Yeah, but I can still definitely tell that something happened.
Wait, no, I know this. This is from the crime scene report, right? This is where the shot took place.
What's that?
I don't know. It could have been Sister Nun. Maybe she's trying to like lead us downstairs or something.
I don't know, guys. I don't like the sound of this.
Yeah, I say we get the hell out of here.
Let's go.
Now guys, check this out. This is some research. I found this local news article you might be interested in.
What is it?
So in like 1974, some guy named Paul allegedly killed like 2 of his friends in the tunnels. He then claimed it was Sister Nun who did it. They haven't been able to find Paul ever since though.
That's crazy. I might actually believe you now. I mean, all this stuff that's been going on lately is like super weird.
So what now?
Well, I'm definitely not going back to those tunnels tonight unless we want to end up like those guys or like Jay.
Well, we gotta do something.
We have to find Paul.
Alright guys, I found something. So, the police haven't been able to find Paul since he allegedly killed his friends, right? But business owners around Leavenworth have said they've frequently spotted this strange man eating out of their dumpsters. And honestly, it sounds like a stretch, but I think we might be onto something. This worker here at Dillon says he sees him every Thursday night around 9.
Well, that's honestly the best bet. Let's go there tonight.
Alright.
All right, we're here.
Yeah, it's 9 o'clock exactly. Should be here. Let's go around back and see.
Wait, that's him. Follow him. Follow him. Follow him.
Okay,
Go,
okay,
go,
okay,
go,
okay,
go, go, go,
okay,
go, go.
Bro, what is this dude doing right now?
I don't know where he thinks he's going. We're in a car.
There's like a 0% chance of him escaping.
Down there. The hell?
Stay back! I'm warning you! And I told you there's no demons under my floorboards! Chill, dude. We don't want to hurt you.
Yeah, we just need your help with something.
What do you know about Sister Nun?
Oh, well, you see, back in my college days, me and a couple friends, we were trying to have some fun, you see, and we went down to the tunnels because we heard of this haunting from this nun. We went down there and she killed both of them, and I just narrowly escaped. How did you even escape? I was trying to figure it out for years myself. The only thing I noticed is I went into this laundry room that had a bunch of dirty laundry everywhere, and she was just standing outside the doorway, and I crawled through a window, just narrowly escaped.
Man, that's a load of crap. I think you probably killed your friends to cover up the fact.
No, it's true! Tell him, Penny!
So why do you think she just stood there?
Oh, my best guess is that her weakness is probably dirty laundry. I mean, that's why I've stayed in this fortress of dirty laundry for years! He agrees. Don't worry, you won't have to worry about Sister Nun anymore.